Welcome to another episode of Makeup Tutorial with Daisy. On today's episode, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look. It was for my client and she was a wedding guest on that day, so I'll be showing you guys how we did her makeup and the GELE. So stay tuned and watch. If you've been following my channel for a while, you will know how I do my skin prep, the product I use. So I had already done skin prep before I started recording this video. So what I've done is just foundation application, and now I'm concealing. Blending takes time, so you have to be very patient while blending your makeup. After blending out the concealer that I applied under her eyes, I make sure to tell my client to look up and not look down until I set under the eyes using either a compact powder or a setting powder. The reason I asked her to look up is because I don't want her to look down and then all the lines and creases under her eyes will become very obvious. So that's why it's advisable for your clients to look up while you're setting the concealer under their eyes. The first powder I used was a compact powder. So now I'm going in with a setting powder. Personally, I like to use both for a perfect finish. You might decide to use only the compact powder or only the setting powder, but make sure to apply it properly so that it doesn't leave creases under the eyes. So you can choose to apply both the compact powder and the setting powder, or just the setting powder and just the compact powder, whichever one that you choose. But just make sure that the application is on point. So after concealing and setting under the eyes, the next thing I'm doing is contouring her forehead and her cheekbones, after which I'll just powder the whole of her face. What I'm doing here is called baking, where you apply a decent amount of setting powder to the places that you have highlighted. I also baked this part of her face, which is under her cheekbone, that's below the place that I contoured, just so that it will make the contour more pronounced. So I'm doing the eyebrows as usual. I have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, so you can go check it out. It is a detailed eyebrow tutorial. So in case you've not seen it, do well to go watch it. You would definitely learn a thing or two. So before doing eyeshadow, it is advisable to apply an eyeshadow base or an eyeshadow primer. The purpose of an eyeshadow primer or an eyeshadow base is to hold the eyeshadow together and give it a flawless finish. Also, it helps if you're applying colors to the eyeshadow, it helps the colors pop more. After applying the eyeshadow, I'm just dusting off all the eyeshadow particles that fell on her face. Then it's time to do the GELE. So for these lips, I just wanted to do a pinkish nude lip because my client didn't really have anything in mind. She just wanted me to go with the flow. So I decided to do a pink lip to complement her outfit and the makeup. So we're done with the makeup, and what I'm doing is just blending in the setting powders that I used to bake, blending it into her skin. And this is me applying the setting spray. This is the matte setting spray from Mismetics. Allow that dry down a bit, let it sink into the skin. It's important to use a fixing spray. I'm using this one from Pro Cosmetics. It helps your makeup stay in place and last all day. This is the final look. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.